Welcome all to the world of maths. You're watching KRISY'S Maths Academy and I am Cristobal Fernandez. So in the last video, I have told about operations on numbers, about what are numbers, their types, then we did the divisibility test, as well as I have shared the formulas on number series. In this video, I am going to tell about the basic operations and about BODMAS. And we can work out on certain problems too. The basic operations in maths are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So as you can see, addition is a plus sign. It's denoted as a plus sign. It is to add or it is to sum two numbers equals, which gives you a result. For example, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Subtraction, the sign is denoted as minus. You less a smaller number from a bigger number. For example, 10 minus 3 equals 7. In multiplication, you are adding a number in a certain number of times. If 3 and it is you call this denotion as into. 3 into 3 gives 9. That is, if you add 3 times, it gives 9. And the final one is division, which is the opposite of multiplication. That is, if you are, for example, if you are dividing 4 by 2, it gives 2. Division sign is denoted as mentioned here, as well as a slash. So these are the basic operations which are required to solve an equation. Let's go into the details on these basic operations. The first one, as I told you, addition, denoted by a plus sign. The other words are sum, altogether, all, in all, together, total, total number, add. In case of subtraction, the symbol is denoted as a hyphen, that is minus, greater than, more than, take away, fewer than, less than, everything come. Then what else? Subtract, difference, is left. All these terms denote subtraction. And next, we have multiplication. Multiplication is denoted by a cross sign, that is like an X, as well as a dot, a small dot. So the other names of multiplication are product, multiply, multiplied by, times, and all. And the last one is division. Division, as I had mentioned earlier, is denoted by a hyphen with a dot above and below, as well as a slash. And the other words for division is quotient, dividend, divide, divided by, each, per, average, divide equally, etc. And I also told the sign equal. That is what the final product of number, what we get, the final one, that is denoted by equal. The symbol is given here, and the other names for equal is the same, equals, the same as, is equal to equivalent. Okay. And now next we can go to a equation. Can you solve this? 3 square plus 5 minus 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2 plus 4 by 2. We don't know from where we need to start what to get the answer. So how can we solve such problems? This is solved by using the BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS? BODMAS is it is the order in which we have to solve a mathematical operation. In the previous slide, it's a combination of all the operations, all the basic operations, that is the plus, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. With this set of operations, we need to know which we have to use first in order to get the correct answer. So let me tell you the full form of BODMAS. As mentioned here, it is brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Brackets. As in the previous formula, the previous set of operation, you have seen bracket. Brackets can be mentioned in 3 types, that is symbol or round brackets, curly brackets, square or box brackets. So in a mathematical operation, the first thing you have to resolve is what is inside a bracket. Why do we need 3 types of bracket? Just see the operation, the problem that is mentioned on the right side. 3 plus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 minus 5. There are so many brackets and it's so confusing. So that's why we use symbol, curly and square brackets as mentioned below. So in a mathematical operation or in a problem, the first thing we have to resolve is from the brackets. Then we go to O. O stands for orders, that is squares, roots, etc. Then after solving the orders, we go for division, and then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. You might be a little confused, but if we do with an example, you'll find it easy to understand what is BODMAS. So let's go to the examples. So in the BODMAS rule, first we consider the brackets. What is in the bracket? There is only one set of bracket, and what is in that bracket? That is 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2. So we have two set of operations, that is multiplication and subtraction. So in case of BODMAS rule, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we have to multiply what is inside this bracket, that is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 gives 12 and 2 into 2 gives 4. So it will be equal to 3 square plus 5 minus, in the brackets, 12 minus 4 plus 4 by 2. Again we solve what is inside the bracket, that is 12 minus 4. We get 8. Now since it is a single solution, we can remove the brackets. Now next, according to BODMAS, we have O, that is the orders. We have to resolve the orders. That is, here we have 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So we get 9 plus 5 minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2. The next mathematical operation which we can use based on the BODMAS rule is divided by or division. Here we have 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So we are left with addition and subtraction. We can group all the addition in one side, which we have to add, and subtraction in the other. So we can write it as 9 plus 5 plus 2 and then minus 8. So it will be easy for us to calculate and get the answer. So the answer will be 16 minus 8, that is 8. Okay. So let's go to another example. So first we see what is inside the bracket, that is 4 into 5 square. We resolve the orders first, that is 5 raised to 2, 5 square, which is equal to 25. So 3 into 4 into 25 divided by 2 plus 7 minus 2. Then there is only one operation, that is multiplication, which is coming under the bracket, that is 25 into 4. We get 100, and that is 3 into 100 divided by 2 plus 7 minus 2. Then the next operation which we can do is multiplication and division. We can do it simultaneously as well. If the multiplication and division comes next to each other, we can resolve it together. Same case in addition and subtraction. So you can either multiply 3 into 100 and then divide it by 2, or you can divide the 100 by 2 and then multiply by 3, which is easier for you. So I got 3 into 50 plus 7 minus 2. The next is addition, and that is 150 plus 7 is 157 minus 2. We get 155. And so this is the answer. That's it, the BODMAS rule. So even if you want to solve any difficult problem or simple problem, using the BODMAS rule is very useful, and it will help you get the correct answer. So that's all in today's video. I'll come up with another part on operation of numbers with more details, using the algebraic formula for resolving bigger problems, as well as I will make a video for the problems on number series as well. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, that is KRISY'S Maths Academy, and don't forget to click onto the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload videos.